Speakers for the session Role of Children in Family Proceedings, held on day one of the Asma Jahangir Conference 2021, Challenges to Human Dignity, noted that children's place in the laws and justice system meant to facilitate them have often been ignored. Paying a tribute to the late human rights defender Asma Jahangir, Vice President of the European Commission for Democracy and Demography, Dubravka Suica, stressed that the EU is playing its part in eliminating the harmful practice of child labor with a zero-tolerance policy toward it in trade agreements.
Year 2021 marks the International Year for the Elimination of Child Labor. The high rate of child labor, especially in the agriculture sector, but also in the mining sector, is of great concern. So is the growing number of domestic child workers. I would like to stress that everyone has a part to play when it comes to eliminating this harmful practice, including us in the European Union. Therefore, in our child rights strategy, we call on European Union companies to free their supply chains of child labor. We also practice zero tolerance for child labor in our trade agreements.
Justice Jawad Hassan of the Lahore High Court held that when deciding custodial cases, it is important for the judiciary to look at a happy and fulfilling ecosystem for the child.
You have to look at a principle of a habitat of a child, an ecosystem of a child, whether because you can't hurriedly decide an issue of a child custody unless you do not look into the entire issue, economic, education, future, welfare, even sometimes religion is important part too.
Sitting judge of the UK Family Court, Justice Khatun Sapnara, stated it is important that children should be made aware of their rights early on, as the decisions that are made by the courts can have long-term impacts on the child.
The idea that children should know their rights very early on in life, because it's only then that later on you can claim them and seek to have them given effect in difficulties that are experienced in perhaps later life. And that is actually, it seems to me, very important because the decisions we make are ones that are very serious and profoundly impact upon a child, not just in the immediate aftermath of our decision, but they have long-term, very pronounced consequences for a child. And so in certain proceedings, we look at not just the welfare, short, medium and long term, but throughout the child's life.
PMLN MNA Mehnaz Akbar Aziz lamented that Parliament is controlling and introducing certain ideologies to children, rather than letting them have a voice of their own.
We are not letting the children decide. We are not letting, voices, there are no children's voices, and a child being from 0 to 18 years of age. आजकल का बच्चा स्मार्टफोन के साथ 10 साल की उम्र में, 8 साल की उम्र में उसको क्या क्या मुझसे ज़्यादा पता होता है. So, this is what's happening in the parliament, that we are controlling, we are introducing certain ideologies through the children by not accepting their rights. The report that goes against the Child Rights Commission every 2 years is formulated by a bureaucrat in the foreign ministry who has nothing to do with children. So, and most of us have not read that. And if it's used and I think that if we cleverly place ourselves, we would need alliances in the international stakeholder circle to be working on this.
Child rights activist Mumtaz Gohar was of the view that children are in much too vulnerable a position in court proceedings for them being afforded the dignity of having a role or voice, and it was an issue that needs to be kept alive and in the mainstream.
Court proceeding या family matters में बच्चों का किरदार, मेरे हिसाब से बच्चों का इस तरह का कोई किरदार ही नहीं होता है. बच्चे उस कोर्ट में एक vulnerable कंडीशन में होते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ साइकोलॉजिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, ठीक है, एजुकेशन उनकी डिस्टर्ब होती है, वेल बीइंग उनकी डिस्टर्ब होती है, पेरेंट्स एक दूसरों पर डिफरेंट टाइप के इल्ज़ामात लगा रहे होते हैं और उस वक्त वो किस सिचुएशन से गुजर रहे होते हैं. इस पे बहुत बार बात करने की कोशिश की गई, लेकिन बाकी इश्यूज़ की तरह इस टॉपिक को इसी तरीके से सामने नहीं लाया गया था.